Welcome to the eDoc Builder training series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Field Designer in depth, where we will going to cover Edit, View, and Insert tabs on the left-hand side of the Field Designer dashboard. We'll begin by logging into the eDoc Builder admin. Once you log in, choose your template that you want to edit using Field Designer. Let's say I want to edit this template. Go to the Field Designer tab, click on Continue. Once the template is loaded, you can see there are three tabs: Edit, View, and Insert. So we are going to look upon these tabs one by one. Let's start with the Edit tab. Field Designer has settings you under Edit that allows you to take the advantage of shortcuts while creating and working on your field settings. The very first option under Edit tab is Undo and Redo. You can undo and redo your last typing or designing actions. To undo an action, use the arrows in this menu or in the top navigation bar. You can also press Ctrl Z, or to redo an undo action, please Ctrl Y, like we do in the Windows system. All actions must be undone or redone in the order you did or undid them. You cannot skip actions. Cut. Use this option to remove a field from the template page to paste it onto another page. You can directly use the shortcut Ctrl X or Command X. Copy. Use this option to copy a field on the template and paste another field with all the same settings on the same page you are copying. When you use this option, you will be prompted to give a new field a name. You can also send the prompt text and the tooltip at the same time. Copy settings. Use this option if you would like to copy certain field settings from one field to the other. To do this, select a field and then from the Edit menu, select the Copy Settings. After making this selection, you will be presented with a window that has the list of settings that apply to the field you are copying from. Here you can pick and choose which of these settings you want to copy to your new field. Paste. As the name suggests, use along with cut or copy, paste what you have copied and cut to the pasteboard. Duplicate. Use this option to duplicate an exact copy of one field and have the exact copy applied to the other same page. Delete. Use this option to delete a field you have selected on the canvas to remove it from the template. View. Field Designer settings in the View menu allow you to turn rulers and guides on and off, and also set the behavior of snapping when you drag a field to relocate it. Let's start with the full screen. Put your internet browser in the full screen mode so you can utilize more screen space when working. Snap to fields. Causes fields to snap into alignment with another fields. Snap to guides. Causes field to snap into alignment with blue or vertical or horizontal guide you set. Snap to grid. Causes fields to snap to the grid. Show rulers. Turn rulers on the top and left on or off. Show guides. Shows or hides the blue vertical or horizontal guides you set. Show grid. Shows or hides the grid's overlay. Show bleed. Shows or hides the bleed. Highlight all field. Highlight all field in yellow so you can see them even if they are empty or transparent. Show tooltips. Turn tooltips on or off. High resolution. Turns high resolution images on or off as you edit your template. When snapping is on, when you drag a field, see it jump around to snap to the closest element appropriate for the type of snapping that you enable. For example, if you have snap to fields turned on and start to move, one of your field, it will jump to the align with another field if you move it close. Insert. To, to create a new field for your template, use the Insert menu. Currently, if you're working with a form-based template, there are 5 fields you can create: image, text, barcode, non-printable field, and shape. When you click on one of these options, a blank field of the type you choose will be inserted into your template. From there, you can resize or rotate it. Let's say if I put a text field, now you can rotate, move, or do all sort of actions with the field you have created in the field designer, thus makes it more reliable. If you're working with an interactive template, your options under the insert may be different. For example, the barcode field is not available on interactive designer template. And from here, you can also undo and redo all the actions which you have done, taking back or taking further to the template. Non-printable fields indicate to your customer that they cannot add images or text to a particular area of the template. NPF indicates for non-printable fields. So let's just put some value and add the prompt text, create a field that is set as non-printable will never print on the production file or display in the preview and prevents the customer from adding any images or the text in the area. By default, a non-printable field is gray with a crossed out printer icon. So this is all about the edit, view, and insert in the Field Designer template. Thank you for watching this video.